Hi there, students. I'm always telling students in essays, when you use this word good, don't use this word good. Beautiful. Don't use this word beautiful. There are lots of other really great words. So very often those students say, yeah, but what do I put? So let's try a few examples. That hat of yours looks absolutely sublime. You look utterly sublime in that hat. You're absolutely stunning in that beautiful dress, my dear. Your bag looks so statuesque. It makes you look like a statue. It gives you a statuesque figure. You look absolutely resplendent this morning, my darling. You look fabulous. You look absolutely ravishing. Yeah, what a beautiful, radiant smile on your face. Oh, what a marvellous new jacket you've bought. It's magnificent. You really do look knockout in that magnificent hat. It's absolutely sublime. What a gorgeous pair of gloves you've got on today. Yeah? Oh, and those shoes, they're so fetching. They make you look really fetching, those shoes. They are quite exquisite. Yeah? The colour of your bag is so enticing. Yeah? It makes you look completely knockout. Yeah, you really do look bewitching in those earrings. They're so becoming to you. Yeah, they really are a beauteous pair of earrings. And that necklace you've got, it's so alluring. It's really attractive. Yes, it makes you look absolutely gorgeous and so graceful, such a radiant looking figure. Yeah, you're completely stunning in this. You really do look quite sublime. Okay, there's quite a group of words, so let's look at them. Sublime, fantastic, stunning, statuesque, like a statue, like a Greek or Roman statue. Resplendent, absolute splendid, good looking, giving off a resplendent light. Ravishing, you look absolutely ravishing, so attractive. Yes, that radiant look in your eyes, a radiant smile. It's like the rays coming out of the sun. Something that's marvellous, is fantastic, it's great quality. And this is a really magnificent skirt you've got on. You look quite magnificent. Yeah, magnificent, top quality. You look absolutely knockout. To knock somebody out, you knock a boxer out. So it's so good looking, I'm completely knocked out by it. You're so graceful and elegant. Yeah, it's such a graceful movement. Gorgeous, the supreme of good looking, supremely gorgeous. Fetching, if something's very fetching, it suits you very well. Yeah, your clothes are quite fetching. You look quite fetching in that hat because it's absolutely exquisite. It's the superlative of taste. It's dazzling. It's so bright that it shines in my eyes. It dazzles me like the sun. Yes, and that bewitching jewellery, it puts me into a spell because it's very becoming. It suits you very nicely and makes you look good. Yeah, a beauteous jacket, beautiful. Absolute, very, very beautiful because it's attractive. It attracts my attention. It attracts people, makes people like you. It allures you. It allures people. It brings people in. The sirens allured, or they lured sailors. Okay, so there you go. Alluring, attractive, beauteous, becoming, bewitching, dazzling, enticing, exquisite, fetching, gorgeous, graceful, knockout, lovely, magnificent, marvellous, radiant, ravishing, resplendent, statuesque, stunning, and even sublime. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.